Hello, welcome to Easy Cook by Tess. In today's recipe, I'm going to be sharing with you how I prepared this chicken fried vegetable stir fry. This vegetable stir fries is very easy and quick to make. Please stay tuned as I go ahead to show you how to prepare it. It is very simple to make and affordable as well. Let's quickly jump into it. Here in this bowl, I have the 4 varieties of bell pepper, and I'm going to be cutting it into some small cube form or size. I also have some onions in the plate as well. So here is the green bell pepper, the yellow bell pepper. I will go ahead and cut everything, and it is all washed with clean tap water. The next thing is also to cut the onions. So I'm going to cut the onions the same size as the bell peppers. I'm going to be using the 2 of the onions, or you can as well divide it into half and use half of this or that, whichever one you have at hand you can use. So go ahead and separate the onions from itself. Here is chicken breast, some chicken breast and some chicken thigh. You can either use the both of them or you use one of them depending on what you have. So I'm going to cut it into cube form like this, and be sure to wash it properly before using. So now, after cutting the chicken, so I'm going to set it aside. And in this bowl, I will go ahead and mix all the vegetables. So here is aromat seasoning, then some curry powder, and some chili pepper, then some salt to taste. So here in this cup I have green seasoning. I will be sharing with you guys how I prepared this green seasoning. It is very nice to have. But before I continue, I'm going to add in some sesame oil. Then mix and mix properly. Here it is, well mixed. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe and put on your notification bell, and this will help my video to grow, and it will also encourage me to post more of this beautiful, delicious meal. Thank you so much. So I'll set it aside and bring the chicken over. So the next thing is to also sauce the chicken very well. Season it very well. Dark soy sauce. Here I am adding in the Oyster sauce. The Oyster sauce. Then dark soy sauce. Then some green seasoning. This green seasoning helps to elevate the taste of your food. It is so good. It contains some herbs in it, and yes, so it is good to have in your fridge for your daily use. So I'll go ahead and mix it very well so that the whole ingredient will be well combined. Then, after mixing it all together and it is well mixed, I will go ahead and cover it properly. Then I will set it aside in the fridge to marinate for a couple of minutes. Here it is ready. So the next step is to go ahead and start cooking. I will first of all stir fry the chicken. So I will leave it to continue cooking. But while it is cooking, go ahead and keep stirring. Stir, 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 because this is stir fry we are doing. So we'll leave it to continue cooking. for just a couple of minutes, and here it is. You can see the liquid in it has already dried up. That will show you that it is ready. Can you see? Now you can see the oil well visible. So the next thing I'm going to do is taking it out of the pot. After that, I'm going to set it aside. So the next step is to stir fry the vegetables that we seasoned earlier. Stir, stir, stir. Just keep stirring until the vegetable gets ready. So I'll go ahead and continue to stir fry the vegetables. So the next thing is adding the chicken that we fried earlier. So mix it up together until it is well mixed properly together with the vegetables. Chicken vegetable stir fry is ready, looking so delicious and yummy. You must give this a try. You will never regret trying it out. And you can pair this stir fry together with pasta, rice, okay? Yes, it is set. So if you're ready to enjoy with me, get your spoon, your plate, and let's enjoy it together. So I'm going to serve it with a hot bowl of rice. Please, at this point, kindly give this video a thumbs up, put on your notification button so that you will be the first to see my video pop up, and do not forget to share with your friends and family. Thank you. Bye.